Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn about the simple present tense with 200 fun sentences. Let's get started. I eat breakfast every morning. She walks to school. They play soccer on weekends. He reads a book before bed. We watch TV in the evening. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Birds sing in the morning. The sun rises in the east. She drinks milk every day. He writes in his journal. We go to the park on Sundays. The dog barks at strangers. I brush my teeth twice a day. She dances beautifully. They study together. He cooks dinner for his family. We listen to music. The baby cries at night. I ride my bike to school. She paints pictures. They visit their grandparents. He swims in the pool. We play board games. The flowers bloom in spring. I help my mom in the kitchen. She sings in the choir. They clean their room. He drives to work. We read stories. The stars shine at night. I draw pictures. She waters the plants. They bake cookies. He fixes the car. We do our homework. The wind blows gently. I feed the fish. She knits scarves. They play the piano. He teaches math. We go shopping. The rain falls softly. I write letters. She makes jewelry. They build sand castles. He plays the guitar. We visit the zoo. The leaves fall in autumn. I read comics. She practices yoga. They play chess. He paints the house. We go hiking. The snow falls in winter. I play video games. She bakes cakes. They go fishing. He mows the lawn. We visit museums. The river flows calmly. I collect stamps. She sews clothes. They play basketball. He repairs bicycles. We go camping. The moon shines brightly. I write poems. She decorates the house. They play tennis. He reads newspapers. We go to the beach. I play the violin. She makes pottery. They play cricket. He watches movies. We visit libraries. The birds fly high. I solve puzzles. She cooks pasta. They play hockey. He draws cartoons. We go to the theater. The waves crash on the shore. I write stories. She gardens. They play rugby. He reads magazines. We visit aquariums. The sun sets in the west. I play the drums. She makes crafts. They play volleyball. He listens to podcasts. We go to the mountains. The stars twinkle. I write songs. She makes candles. They play badminton. He reads novels. He reads newspapers. We go to the beach. The clouds move slowly. I play the violin. The river flows calmly. I collect stamps. She sews clothes. They play basketball. He repairs bicycles. We go camping. The moon shines brightly. I write poems. She decorates the house. They play tennis. She practices yoga. They play chess. He paints the house. We go hiking. The snow falls in winter. I play video games. She bakes cakes. They go fishing. He mows the lawn. We visit museums. He swims in the pool. The baby laughs a lot. We travel during holidays. She studies hard for exams. He writes stories. The wind blows gently. They clean the house on Saturdays. She practices yoga every morning. He repairs cars. The stars shine at night. We eat dinner together. She knits scarves. He plays the guitar. The rain falls softly. They hike in the mountains. She gardens in the backyard. He builds model airplanes. The clock ticks loudly. We celebrate birthdays. She volunteers at the shelter. He collects stamps. The river flows smoothly. They bake cookies. She writes poems. He jogs every morning. The leaves change color in autumn. We enjoy picnics. She decorates the house. He fixes computers. The snow falls in winter. They play board games. She sews clothes. He reads bedtime stories. The ocean waves crash. We go camping. She makes jewelry. He paints the fence. The fire burns brightly. They play chess. She writes in her diary. He plays basketball. The birds chirp. We go fishing. She draws cartoons. He plays video games. The sun sets in the west. They go to the beach. She plays the piano. He writes emails. The flowers smell sweet. We visit museums. She takes photographs. He plays tennis. The moon shines. They go hiking. She bakes cakes. He writes songs. The rain pours. We go shopping. She makes crafts. He plays soccer. The stars twinkle. They go to the zoo. She writes letters. He plays drums. The wind howls. We go to concerts. She paints murals. He writes blogs. The snow glistens. They go skiing. She makes pottery. He plays golf. The river sparkles. We go to festivals. She writes essays. He plays hockey. The sun shines brightly. They go to the library. Great job, everyone. Now you know 200 simple present tense sentences. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.